first connect the power. 接线。L1, L2, L1, L2, L3, L1, L2, L3. It's fire line, and this one is loud line. The last one is loud line. Now, and this one is connecting the power. 380. Three phase. This one is loud line, fire line, and this one is the air. That's the air compressor. You can come from here, and the power from here. That's the electric part, and here is the air pressure. Air filter and the valve. This is the PLC control and the remote controller. And the heater temperature control. For the heater. For the heater temperature control. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, temperature control. Heater is here. Heater 1, hot here. Heater 2, hot here. And heater 3. Now you open the hot here. When you open the hot here, you should ensure the blower is working. The blower is working. Before you turn off the power, before you turn off the total power, you should turn off the hot air first. And with the heater inside cool down, and then turn off the total power. That means you do not turn off this power. Before the heater is off, before heater is cooled down. Here is the total power. Here is the paper feed paper. Urgent stop. Start. And choke. And stop. And here's the reset. Here's for total power. Finish. Normally, you know if you change the speed, change the stick. Here is the production speed. Here is the job speed. Here is the capacity, how many pieces. Here you can reset. You can zero. And here is stock paper lamp. Use a paper lamp, and here is for the fine short, for the paper short. The paper short lamp. This is the paper short lamp. The paper jack lamp is already on. This alarm on if there is a problem and auto stop. Oil pump continue work. Oil pump intermediate work. This one is oil is continue work. This one is work 7 minutes and stop 7 minutes. There's learning motor. The learning motor is on. The temperature alarm. Normally you can on or off. This one is we reserve job. The job. Here is the job. For the job. Here is the job. That means water machine by step. Here is the versus job. Here start and stop. Start. Put together to start. Put back together. Together to start. Squeeze the paper long, paper shorter long. This one to get the paper chain. We have two paper long. And here is for the count. Here is for the count. And paper out. Here is the blow the air.